How to easily add two columns in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, to add two columns, the first thing that you need to do is to place the cursor where you want to add a two columns. After that, tap on this insert option, and then in here, tap on this table option. After that, select this two square, and then in here, as an example, I'm going to copy this one and then I'm going to paste it here on the first table. After that, I'm going to copy the second paragraph and then I'm going to paste it here. So as you can see, I now have two columns. So to remove the border line of the table, all we need to do is to tap on this format option, and then after that, tap on this table option, and then under here, tap on this table properties. After that, we'll have to tap on this color option, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this arrow icon, and then we'll have to select this zero option. So as you can see here, I now have two columns here on my Google document. So that's how easy we can add two columns in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!